guys, welcome to Matthew's Trains UK. Today we are at Manchester Airport. We're going to see trains like Northern, Transpennine Express, Riva, the Transport for Wales. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully if we're lucky, we could get the twos. Hopefully if we're lucky, I doubt it. But anyway, let's have some fun at Manchester Airport. Transpennine Express coming into Manchester Airport. Terminating here. Transpennine Express leaving Manchester Airport, is going to Cleethorpes. Transpennine Express leaving Manchester Airport, and that's going to Cleethorpes. Transpennine Express coming into airport. Express. Let's go to Newcastle. Transpennine Express leaving Manchester Airport, and that's going to Newcastle. There's a part of Manchester Airport, it's a Transpennine Express service to Redcar Central. Manchester, Piccadilly, Manchester, Oxford Road. Transpennine Express leaving Manchester Airport, and that's going to Redcar Central. Northern, flying at Manchester Airport, that's 1 ton, that's 2 ton. This goes to Liverpool Lime Street. Northern leaving Manchester Airport, and that is going to Liverpool Lime Street with a nice 2-tone. Northern coming into Manchester Airport, it's terminating here, and then it's going to go to Barrow in Furness. Express coming into Manchester Airport, and obviously it's terminating here. Transpennine Express coming into Manchester Airport. Northern. That was nice. Let's go to Barrow in Furness. Northern leaving Manchester Airport, and that's going to Barrow in Furness. Northern coming into Manchester Airport. Into Manchester Airport, and that's obviously terminating here. Transpennine Express leaving Manchester Airport, this is going to Redcar Central. Express. Going to Manchester Airport. I think they've changed it. I thought the Northern two.
What's that one?
Northern. It's a 331.
What?
It's a 331, Dad. I think it is. Yeah, it's called 331. Let's go to Liverpool Street after that. Transpennine Express. Leaving Manchester Airport, this is going to Cleethorpes. Transpennine Express leaving Manchester Airport, and that's going to Cleethorpes. I'm coming into Manchester Airport. This is going to Crewe. Northern coming into Manchester Airport, and then it's going to go to Crewe. Northern 1, Transpennine Express coming into Manchester Airport. This is terminating here. We were getting on this to Manchester Victoria. Transpennine Express, Northern 1, coming into Manchester Airport.